May 4th, 2022, at approximately 11:20 a.m., Houston Police Department officers conducted a traffic stop on Jimmy Caston Bryan, 23, in the 14,300 block of the Gulf Freeway. The stop was part of a multi-agency narcotics investigation. Upon being asked to exit his vehicle, Bryan produced a semi-automatic handgun and fired multiple shots at the officers, striking Officer Sally in the chest and right hip.
What's up, brother? Hey, how we doing? You in park? Is this your truck?
Yes, sir.
How long you been having it?
2018.
Since how long?
2018.
All right, you got driver's license on you, buddy? Where you headed to?
Right now,
What?
we're gonna go get a hotel.
Oh, all right, where at?
I'm not sure yet. Well, I was gonna take some of my stuff to storage.
Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother?
Yes,
Okay. Is that an ankle monitor?
yes, sir. It is. GPS mom out on bond.
What are you doing on your phone?
I was gonna show you some pictures of the truck.
Of what?
The vehicle when I first got it.
Oh, don't worry about it, man. Let's get that ID.
Oh,
No, yeah, you're fine. You don't have any ID on you? Here, why don't you do me a favor? Take off your seatbelt and step out. Did you just hear me? Look at me. Take off your seatbelt.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. All right. Partner, are you good? God damn it. Where are you hit? He's down. He's down.
Femur! Fuck!
Hey, hey!
Where you hit? Where you hit? Femur! Get him in the back of my truck!
No! We need a tourniquet now!
I've been hit.
Jared!
Okay.
Fuck, I got it. I got it. You okay?
I'm fine.
Hey, I'm bleeding a lot.
Bryan was initially charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault on a public servant after opening fire on Houston police officers during the traffic stop. Further investigations revealed he was involved in narcotics trafficking and was found with over 48 grams of methamphetamine, heroin, cocaine, MDMA, a digital scale, and multiple firearms. Bryan pleaded guilty to drug distribution and firearm charges, receiving an 18-year federal prison sentence in April 2023. In a separate state case, he also pleaded guilty to assaulting officers and, in October 2024, was sentenced to 2 concurrent 75-year prison terms. He must serve at least half of his sentence before being eligible for parole. On May 7, 2023, 28-year-old James Rakeem Pierce was involved in a fatal encounter with law enforcement near Ravenel, South Carolina. Deputies Evan Cubbage and Alexander Hodge of the Charleston County Sheriff's Office conducted a routine traffic stop on U.S. Highway 17 for a car driving erratically on the road. Pierce, who was later identified as a leader of the Cowboys Gang, a group with known criminal activities in the region. His criminal history included multiple arrests between 2011 and 2021 for offenses from kidnapping, armed robbery, to attempted murder.
Do you have your registration and insurance? Why do you have gloves on?
Deputy Cubbage notices the strange behavior of the passenger and driver. He tries to handle the situation calmly and questions them both for the next 5 minutes and determines the registration for the car, and things aren't adding up. When all hell breaks loose.
They don't,
They sent it to the wrong address
Yeah.
at first, and I had to go up there because I was waiting on it, and I waited a month
It can
after.
be. It can be
and
a
I was
pain.
like, why isn't it coming? And I went up there, and then they had to put it right at. This is the only thing place to get to right now.
Okay. All right.
I can get to anything else. have more, like, it's more updated than this, but that's only what I can get to right now.
Alright, hey, hop out. Hop out. Don't reach for anything.
I'm not reaching for nothing, man.
He's got a gun! Hey, I'm hit, he's down. I'm hit. Hey, what you got? Get back. Put my knee. Get down!
When Deputy Cubbage tried to get Pierce to exit the vehicle, Pierce suddenly pulled a firearm and began shooting, hitting Deputy Cubbage 3 times. Both deputies immediately returned fire, fatally striking Pierce. Despite his injuries, Deputy Cubbage survived and was treated at the Medical University of South Carolina before being released. Deputy Hodge was unharmed. The female driver was detained, though her legal status remains undisclosed. October 5th, 2024, at approximately 5:16 p.m., a Santa Monica Police Department Downtown Services Unit officer was alerted by store security about a robbery at the Target store located at 420 Broadway. An employee had been pushed to the ground, and a box of kitchen knives was stolen by a male suspect who fled the scene. The box was later recovered with one 8-inch chef's knife missing. The suspect was identified as 28-year-old Daya Halaibe. Shortly after, a Santa Monica Police Department officer was outside the front of the police station attending to an unrelated matter when he was approached by Halaibe.
Okay, let me talk to them first, and then we can talk. Is that okay?
Were they here?
I was here first, yes.
I just want you to know.
What's in your jacket? I don't want. I'm kind of nervous for you handing your jacket like that.
You're nervous?
Yeah, we're. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired! Shots fired! Front of HQ! I got one at gunpoint. Avenida Mazatlan. Guns facing northbound. Send an ambulance. Hey! Knife! Hey, I'm hurt. I'm stabbed.
Without warning, Halaibe drew the stolen knife and attacked the officer, inflicting multiple stab wounds to the neck and shoulder area. The officer retreated while drawing his duty weapon, and as Halaibe continued his assault, the officer discharged his firearm, fatally wounding Halaibe. Immediate medical assistance was provided to Halaibe by SMPD officers until the Santa Monica Fire Department arrived, but he was pronounced dead at the scene. The injured officer received prompt trauma care and was hospitalized overnight. He was released the following day. On February 11th, 2022, at approximately 2:15 a.m., Phoenix police officers responded to a 911 call reporting that a woman had been shot by an intruder at a residence near 51st Avenue and Broadway Road. The call was made by 36-year-old Morris Richard Jones III, who claimed his wife had been shot.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
It's a gunshot wound. It's a gunshot wound.
Where?
We had an intruder.
Is that a house?
Yes.
So you shot an intruder?
Baby, wake up. Wake up, baby.
Hello, is somebody there to talk to me?
Huh?
The man you hear on the phone turns out to be the brother of the woman who was shot and will play an important role later in the incident.
Who got shot?
Wake up. It's a gunshot wound. We had an intruder.
I got that. Can I talk to one person? Who got shot?
My wife.
Who?
They came in here trying to rob us. They came in here and robbed us.
Okay, how many were there?
It was 3 of us.
Did you
They
see
keep
the
it going.
race, white, black, Hispanic?
They had masks on. I can't say.
Okay. What kind of, did they all have weapons?
Yes, they are. Babe!
When
Babe!
did they leave?
Babe, wake up! Wake up, babe! Wake up! Wake up!
The first officer on scene to respond to the call is Phoenix police officer Austin Peru.
Come on. You're sucking our own blood. Come on, bro. Come on. Who's all in the house? Huh? Who's all in the house? It's me. Who's you? No. I've been shot. No.
As Officer Peru runs for safety, the second officer on the scene is shown to return fire at Mr. Jones, with Jones retreating into the house and shutting the door. After a short standoff, the man heard earlier and the brother of the female victim exited the house holding a 1-month-old baby. He placed the infant on the ground and was subsequently detained by police. With the man detained and the infant in the doorway, officers approached to rescue the baby. Jones opened fire again, resulting in injuries to 8 more officers. Following the exchange of gunfire, officers entered the home and discovered Jones deceased from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. The initial female victim, identified as 29-year-old Shatifa Labli, was also found dead inside the residence. After the police department's investigations into the incident, it's unknown why Mr. Jones shot his wife. Officer Peru sustained 5 gunshot wounds in the incident. He underwent emergency surgery to stop the bleeding and received blood transfusions upon arrival at the hospital. He returned to work 5 months later.